Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that developers face when working with tableview cells in iOS development. The issue arises when you have a cell with a reuse identifier set in Storyboard, and you want to display different content based on certain conditions. Specifically, the problem occurs when the table view reuses a cell that had a CAShapeLayer added to its content view, leading to unwanted overlap of drawings. Now, the solution to this problem involves subclassing UITableViewCell and managing layers as properties within the subclass. By creating a custom cell class with properties for CAShapeLayers, you can control their visibility and avoid the persistence issue. In the provided code, we define a statusCell subclass of UITableViewCell with properties for ProgressLayer and SentLayer. In the implementation of the statusCell, we override the awakeFromNib method to initialize and configure the CAShapeLayers. By setting the hidden property to yes for each layer, we ensure they are initially hidden. This approach ensures that the layers are properly managed and not displayed when not needed. Moving on to the cell4row@indexPath method, we dequeue a status cell and update the visibility of the CAShapeLayers based on the status attribute of the corresponding data object. By setting the hidden property of each layer accordingly, we control which layer is shown based on the data, effectively addressing the issue of unwanted layer persistence. To wrap it up, by using a custom cell subclass and properly managing CAShapeLayers as properties, you can efficiently handle the display of different content in tableview cells without encountering issues related to layer persistence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, coding with creativity is the key to success.